Okay, so we can start adding speech logs to the about different building projects. I ran out of screws, so I cannot complete the project today. All right. Original text is run out of screws, cannot complete the project today. And AI is the same because it was quite short memo and there was nothing to fix. It automatically added tags, materials, and blocker, which are correct. It automatically picked the project that is closest to me at the moment, but I can obviously change it manually. I can add custom tags here. I can add a photo. Oh, reverse. So didn't plan to make an auto portrait of myself. Anyway, can add more photos. I think one is enough for now. I'm gonna upload this single photo I made and I'm gonna send it to the office. So it's the second test today already. And I still keep it in front camera. All right, anyway, these are my logs. As I'm logged in as an office worker, I can also open Office and Setup menu items from the bottom. Office just sees all the logs, including today and yesterday and earlier. Can filter by project, and that's it in the office view. At setup, office workers can manage workers and projects, edit, remove, or add new worker. And under projects, the same thing, edit, delete, add new. Here it's just Google Maps integrated, so if you pick the address, it will tell GPS pinned, and that's the reason we can automatically select the project closest to the person adding a log. And finally, you can send to Telegram notification when new log is entered.